In this short video, we'll share the essential basics of sheep farming. Don't miss these important points about raising sheep. Want to get into sheep farming? Here, let's take the first step together. Sheep farming tips. 1. Pay attention to the regular care of your sheep. 2. Always give your sheep the cleanest water and the best quality feed, and pay close attention to barn cleanliness. 3. Healthy sheep are definitely more productive. Take care of their health. 4. Choose a quality breed of sheep. 5. Choose the most productive breeds for milk and meat production. 6. Have your sheep checked by a vet regularly to keep them healthy. And finally, 7. For more sheep farming tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos if you like them, and follow us. Have a good day.